About this item, no need to program or set up, just insert the battery CR2025, battery not included, to start using the replacement remote control. It is the perfect choice when you need to replace the original remote control compatible models DEH-2350UB, DEH-2350UBG, DEH-2350UB SW, DEH-P4050UB, DEH-P4050SU, DEH-P4050C and DEH-P400UB, DEH-P4000UB, DEH-P4050XS, DEH-P4050ES, DEH-140UB, DEH-14UB, DEH-150MP, DEH-15MP, DEH-15UB, DEH-1701UB, DEH-2400UB, DEH-240UB, DEH-24UB, DEH-2500UI, DEH-3400UB, DEH-34UB, DEH-44HD, DEH-44HD DEH-X16UB, DEH-X1710UB, DEH-X1810UB, DEH-X2600UI, DEH-X2700UI, DEH-X2710UI, DEH-X2800UI, DEH-X3500UI, DEH-X35UI, DEH-X3600S, DEH-X3600UI, DEH-X36UI, DEH-X3700S.